Welcome to NaemAI, the ultimate B2B platform that turns complex, cross-border negotiations into a seamless digital experience. Let's look at a real scenario where a Bulgarian landlord and a Spanish-speaking tenant negotiate a lease agreement. It all starts with the broker. In just a few clicks, the broker sets up the initial draft. Watch closely. They select Bulgarian as the communication language for the landlord and Spanish for the tenant. They input the basic terms: a rent of €600, a matching deposit, and a 12-month duration. Instantly, the system generates secure, unique access links for both parties. In less than 30 seconds, the broker's active role in this phase is done, and they can move on to their next client. Now, let's see the magic happen from the client's perspective. On the left side of the screen, the Bulgarian landlord logs in. On the right, the Spanish tenant accesses their dashboard. They review the broker's initial terms and begin to interact directly with our specialized AI agent. Here is where NaemAI truly revolutionizes the industry. The tenant asks questions in Spanish about community fees, payment methods, and specific conditions like keeping pets or smoking in the apartment. The AI doesn't just translate, it mediates. It communicates the tenant's requests to the landlord in perfect Bulgarian and relays the landlord's approvals back to the tenant in flawless Spanish. The AI effortlessly handles the nuances of the negotiation. It clarifies that smoking is permitted, confirms that the first payment will be made in cash upon handing over the keys, and explains the penalty clauses. All of this happens in real time, 24/7, without the broker having to intervene, play translator, or act as a psychologist. Furthermore, our legal AI constantly monitors the chat to ensure every agreed-upon point strictly complies with the law. Once all details are ironed out, both the landlord and the tenant officially confirm their acceptance. The emotional friction is gone. The language barrier has completely vanished. The system then hands the baton back to the broker. Returning to the main dashboard, the broker sees the clear indication that a full agreement has been reached. With one final click, NaemAI compiles the entire history of the negotiation and automatically generates a pristine, legally binding bilingual contract in both Bulgarian and Spanish. No manual drafting, no costly translation services, no human errors. Just a perfect contract ready for signature. NaemAI empowers your agency to scale globally, saving your team hundreds of hours. Step into the future of real estate and test NaemAI today.